how to log in to youtube.com. So if you want to log into your YouTube application or your YouTube on your desktop or PC, then first you need to simply open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and you can search for YouTube. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.youtube.com. And once you open your YouTube, now you can go for sign in, which will be on the upper right. Click on sign in and then you can choose an account and then you can go for the login page, and here you need to enter your email address on the first blank. So enter your email address, but if you forgot your email, then go for forgot email so that you can reset or recover your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create account and create your account. But if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then enter your email, or you can also enter your phone number and then click on next. And here, this is the second step. You need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and then click on next. And that's it. That's how you log into your account on your YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.